Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kia if you are new here, and today I'm showing you guys the package that I just received, which is my phone grips. Now I did order these phone grips in bulk because it's the only way I found them. Well, actually no, I did see some people that sell them for about $1, sometimes a little bit lower, and then a lot of people sell them for more than that. I just felt like that was ridiculous, but I got, I think, 100 of them. I don't remember for how much, somewhere between $15 and $25 in bulk. So yeah, I just wanted to open it up and show you what's in here. Now I do see that some are a little damaged, like this one is damaged, so I really won't be able to use it. If you guys can tell, right there and right there is smushed. And yeah, I'm not gonna send that to anybody, but I can always use it as a tester. But this is the white. It's really pretty. It has a shimmer to it, which kind of doesn't even matter because it's gonna be covered anyways with whatever I put on it. And then this is the black one, and then these are the 3M ones on the back, so they're supposed to be really sticky and pretty much not come off. This is how wide they open up. I don't think they open up any wider. Oh yeah, they do. Okay, so it has like regular, and then it has one level, and then this is 2 levels. So it's like this on the back of your phone. This one has the same thing. They also sent these little bags. They're self-seal bags, so I can take it and put this pop socket in this bag like that, which I'll see if once I make a pop socket, if the pop socket can fit in here with whatever I put on it, because if so, that would be perfect. I could seal it like that to the customer in a bag and just figure out my packaging. But yeah, this is what I got. Let me get my phone, see if I can tell y'all the exact price that I paid. I have 100 pieces, which I need to count, make sure they're 100, and I got them for $23. And the regular cost was $26, but since it was my first time buying from this place, I had a $3 discount, so it made it $23. So y'all can see that down there. So yeah, I will count all these up, make sure I have 100, which I think I do, and I'm gonna see how many defective ones I have. If it's not a lot of defective ones, I'm just gonna leave it alone and just accept it how it is, because those can be test runs. But if I have a lot of defective ones, I'm probably gonna have to do a return. But I don't think it's a lot in here. Thank you all so much for watching my video. If you want me to do a video showing you where I bought my pop sockets, let me know down below in the comments and I will do that. I'm still learning where to buy stuff wholesale because I don't know, like I just don't like buying stuff for super expensive, like because I'm testing a lot of stuff and I mess up a lot. So I want to buy stuff in bulk so I can pretty much mess up as much as I want, or as much as I have to, and still have product. So all that being said, let me know down below in the comments if you would like me to do a video showing you guys where I purchased these and everything more in depth. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please come back to my channel to watch my future videos. I do have a couple videos up already. And just hit the subscribe button and the like button for me, please. See y'all in the next video. Bye.
shut your damn mouth when you said you weren't good enough. Said you weren't.